Ensuring frontline workers on different teams and in different locations remain connected with real-time communication tools is essential to manufacturing production. Let's take a look at how factory team members can use Microsoft Teams frontline worker apps to overcome a common production scenario: equipment malfunction. Meet factory worker Jeff. On his morning shift, Jeff notices a product quality issue. Using his mobile device and Microsoft Teams app, Jeff alerts shift leader Lily and maintenance technician Johnny to the issue and requests support. After inspecting equipment, Johnny determines a malfunctioning part is causing the issue. He uses Teams chat to update Lily and Jeff with a photo of the faulty part in his resolution plans. Johnny then uses his resource management app, Shifts, to identify which field services technician is working the morning shift. Then, using his Tasks app, Johnny creates and assigns a work order to available technician Sam to initiate repair, all from his Teams app, without needing to step off the factory floor. Sam receives the work order request alert via Teams and, using her 3D guided procedures app, Vesper, follows step-by-step instructions to quickly repair the part. Once Sam marks the work order complete in Tasks, Johnny receives notification and can alert Lily and Jeff the issue has been resolved. Arming frontline workers with the ability to communicate efficiently empowered this team to respond to an important issue quickly and effectively, without significant delays in production or equipment downtime.